That motor going. Time for the new motor to go in. My boy defeated, but we still working. Ain't got much left. We be alright. It ain't that hard. We had a strip boat, had to drill out. It got crazy. But we be alright. Holler back when they come back in. Yeah, put.
Hold on, my leg stuck. Hold up, on me. Hold on. Fucking brake shit. Stuck in my damn leg.
Back some more.
Good. Alright.
That should be good right there. Pull it back a tad bit more. Alright, that's perfect right there.
You okay?
Good work, Station. This is as far as we got. My boy tapped out on me. About to go smoke us a blunt and chill. That's the face of defeat.
Hey, we got this whole thing.
We ain't did shit. He talking about we been out here for 4 hours. We been out here 2.5 hours.
Put this in. Mind you, we did all type of stuff too.
That shit ain't nothing. Mini bike life, we got way more to go. Most likely gonna have to buy another master link. The master link, the last piece I just dropped and went down in there in the cracks. So it's over with. Well, that master link wasn't the best anyway. It came off twice after I opened it up. Guess I did it the wrong way. But now I'm just gonna order another front chain because the front chain just as cheap as a master link is. So I thought it would be a one-day build. It's already bolted up and everything, one-day build, but the rest of the stuff that I need, it won't be here for like a couple days. Man, oh man, I gotta get used to this YouTube shit. I done forgot already. I started messing with the Monster Moto 80. Took the twist throttle off. It was broken. See, I had a string on it. Now I'm about to do the thumb throttle I had for one of those bikes, but the cord was too short, but it'll work perfect for this one. So everything be thumb throttle like it's supposed to be. Thumb throttle mafia, no need to return it. Okay, I'll get back to y'all when I get some progress. End up having to use the thumb throttle from that bike. End up using a twist throttle from that bike because I ordered a thumb throttle and now it's longer so it fit. No spring yet, but I'll get a spring in it in a second. Just gotta connect the linkage to that over there and this will be done. 2, 3. The thumb throttle is complete. Welcome to the Thumb Throttle Mafia. Monster Moto 80. Now we'll get some new tires for it, some street tires, and let my wife and the kids learn on this, and then we'll move them up to the other ones. Now she's up and running. Thumb Throttle Mafia. Look how sweet it is. It barely touches. Look. It barely touches. Thumb Throttle Mafia, baby. Down to 80 in the game. Thinking about getting like a 3.5 for this. I don't want no 212 on this. My people gonna hurt themselves. I put a 212 on it. The boy just got in from work. See the thumb throttle on this motherfucker. I've been working all day. Use some air in these tires, but I'm teaching my wife how to ride on this. Scared to let her ride the other one. Be back. No gas.
That's no gas. All the way right here.
I would say no throttle, but that's cool. That's cool. Good. the gas off?
It's off.
I had to get flooded or something that fast. Let it chill for a second. My bad, y'all. So hard to hit record. Don't be remembering. Took the back fender off. Back the bike up some. Well, you can turn it around so I can show you with the zip tie. The BT 200X. Yeah. That's how I want it. Now all I'm missing is the carburetor, the muffler, and the street tires. And I'm done. You running on my clip. Don't need much. Some stickers.
Going on throwing thought, guys. Wanna put the oil in here for the new motor. Regular oil. That look good. Just waiting on the finish touch to come in the mail. You see the brand new Predator. Right now, it should be good to go.
Then the bike goes straight. Like, not leaning.
Ooh. Some more oil than enough. You took all that?
Supposed to take half a bottle. That's perfect. A little more than a half. Exactly what I want to do. Oh, it's spilling out.
Oh shit, my bad. Back on.
We check the oil on that bike. Just to see for me how we got this. We check the oil just like your car. Hello. Yeah, you can turn the choke on. Why not?
Oh,
It's first crank up ever. Brand spanking new.
Here we go.
No, you got it on off. It ain't gonna work. Oh no, you got it right. I'm sorry. Oh shit, that don't work. You gotta turn it on right there.
What?
Down there on the motor, on the side of the motor, red switch. Look down there.
I was about to say something not right.
All right, now you good. It should start on the first pull. Got a gas on? Both forward. It's the same way as the other one.
Yeah, both of them. Something not right, cause it should be
Hold up. That's our mini bike stand. It worked just fine. The legs was weak. We hit that with an Allen wrench. On right up. You need help? Okay.
Sit it up right there. Get it straight first.
Probably do better grabbing it right there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. A little more back. All right, that's good. All right, push it back some. No. I'm talking about, yeah, the whole thing. All right, start that bitch up. Let it run. Turn that. That's the on and off switch now. It ain't on the throttle. I'm gonna fix it to where it's on the up there, but right now it ain't. Gotta turn it on.
What about the brakes at?
The brakes still the brakes.
Where? Oh, okay, down. I ain't seen it.
You don't need no brakes, it's in the air. You didn't turn the motor on.
That bitch gonna take off.
It ain't, it's in the air. How's it gonna take off? It can fly?
Nigga. Okay.
What is that making that noise? The chain? Look on the other side. Look at the other side. The chain came off. Alright. Oh. So what's making the noise now?
It's this part right here clanking against the metal part.
Okay, alright. So it ain't the motor.
No, hell no.
Alright.
The chain popped off, so now it's the big little chain part clanking against the metal part.
The show me, take a picture. The clutch. I didn't even YouTube nothing, but I just let it run, turned it up, turned it back down, just let it run for a while, give it a break in. I just let it run for a while, let it get a break in. 212 start up, and no issues. Took off because I had the chain hooked up, no master link. Took off as soon as we started it. But I'm going to sit here and let it run for 30, 40 minutes. Still breaking it in. Don't know if this is right, but it's what I'm doing. Turn it up a couple RPMs for 5-10 minutes. Turn it down a couple RPMs, 5-10 minutes. And that's how I've been doing it. That sound you hear, that's the torque converter. Ain't no chain on it. I gotta put a washer behind it, nevertheless. It's tapping on the housing.